Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the increment and decrement command in Omron PLC. Model can using CP1E and 60. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. I will open my CX programmer software, and here we will first choose one input and address. We will give that 0 address x0.0, and in next we will choose the increment command. Go to the find instructions, and here you can see increment and decrement section, and here we can choose the first command of increment and click OK, and here we will put the data register where we like to make the increment. An example, I will choose the D0 for example and click enter. And in next row we will choose another bit input address, for example x1 I will choose, and just type only x1, and after you will get the command. If you change this one comment, you can put any, for example on I write same as same will be right, and this command also we can choose as on, it will be placed. And next here we will choose the command decrement. Find instruction, go to the increment and decrement, and here you can see this one decrement command, and same data register we will choose because of we will use this D0 and click enter. When these two data registers are ready, when we give the signal at x0, after this here will be increment coming, and when we give the signal at x1, here at the D0 increment coming. But how we can test this value? We will choose one more open contact here, or no need open contact, directly we can choose it here, compare section in the serial data compare. Here we can choose any data movement, for example that I will choose that equal or greater than, when my D0 is equal or greater than, for example 10 value, so I need my one output energize, example 100.0, and click enter. This can be a motor or any valve or actuator, whatever. This is depends on your application and your program. So this program I will just write to the PLC, and let's check. Click OK, and again click OK, and go this value now. Now your motor is on because of it. The D0 have some value. First we will reduce the value, but you can see this is the value. Why this is showing look like this value? Because of this is signal we are using direct and indirect pulses this is giving. So what we can do, stop the simulation, and here we will go to the differentiate, and we will use the rising edge. In Delta or Mitsubishi PLCs also you can see this is rising edges are available here in at the top, but in this software not available. You can easily go right click and go to the differentiate and here up or down if you selected, after you will be got this rising edge. So same as this one also, we will go to the differentiate and also we can choose this rising edge. After this rising edge, what's the function? When you press this x0, after this will just one signal gives to the d0, and also same as this will be giving the just one signal at the d0. But I will download this program again, click OK, again click OK, OK, and then yes. And now just only we first remove the value of the d0. I put it 0 at the d0 and make it set. Now you can see at the d0 not have any value, and here is so this is the, you can see when I give the signal at x0.0, after increment will be when d0 equal with this d10, after your output 100.0 will be on. As I give one more signal, you can see this is our 100.0 is now on, and as I reduce the signal, it will be increased, it's no problem. But which point we will set here at the d10, after this motor will be start and stop. I will reduce now, you can see as value decrease then 15, which is we set point, make it here 15, we make the set point after our motor is now on and off. And as I see increase this value 13, 14, and as will be equal with 15 or greater than 15, it will be on and off. So for example, this value, if we like to change this value, this set value, if I like to be 25 for example, and click enter, and you can see this motor is now going to off because of here values needs to be 25, and our value at increment command at have the 16. As I increase the value, for example 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, as will be completed the 26, 25, 4, you can see. So this way you can use this increment and decrement command with the data registers, and you can make it on off any motor or actuator or valve, whatever, which is your depends on application, you can use. Hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.